Welcome, student. My name is Mohammed Zakwan Mohammed. I teach bookkeeping Form 2. Today we discuss about a 3-column cash book. 3-column cash book. I think we have already discussed about a 1-column cash book and a 2-column cash book at the previous lesson. I think you remember. What is a 1-column cash book? Okay, it's a cash book which have only one account. And what is a 2-column cash book? Okay, it's a cash book which have only 2 accounts. Cash and a bank. Okay, today we discuss about a 3-column cash book as a new topic. Within the 3-column cash book, we have only 3 accounts. One is known as a cash. Second one is bank. And the third one is discount. The 2 accounts have already discussed in a previous lesson at the 2-column cash book. Today, the new account is discount account. What is a discount? Okay, is the amount deducted from the price. Is the amount deducted from the price. Or is an allowance given by the seller to buyer when the customer or when the buyer purchases the goods from the seller will give the discount. The discount is an allowance. Okay. How may categorize a deduction of a price? There are 2 common categories of deduction of a price. One is cash discount. Second one is trade discount. The deduction given to the trader or customer when buy goods for cash is known as a cash discount. And the deduction given to the trader or customer when buy good on credit is known as a trade discount. The aim of keeping the trade discount just to encourage customer to purchase a large quantity of the goods. And the aim of providing the cash discount is to make a promptly payment. In a cash book, or in a 3-column cash book, we discuss only cash discount. What is a cash discount? A cash discount is a deduction provided by the seller when sells goods by cash. There are 2 types of cash discount. One is discount allowed, and the second one is discount receive. When a seller sells a good to customer, the seller will allow the customer to reduce a certain amount in a cash price. The discount is known as a discount allowed. Discount receive. When a trader buys goods to supplier the supplier will give the trader certain amount as a discount. This discount is known as a discount receivable. This one comes to suppliers, and this one comes to seller to customer. Okay, refer the format of 3-column cash book. The format of 3-column cash book have a debit side and a credit side. Look at the format. This side is known as a debit side, and this side is known as a credit side. Here, you put the title. The title is 3-column cash book. If you have a name of the trade, you put here. Like that, the name of the trade is Muhammad, you put here, Muhammad 3-column cash book. Here, you say that the column of the date. Here, particular. And here, folio. Then you put that discount. Discount allowed. Allowed. Here you say that cash. Here you say that bank column. Another side you say you start by date, particular, folio, discount receive, here cash, and here bank. This is a format of 3-column cash book. They have only 2 sides, debit side and the credit side. And we have already discussed about debit side is a side of receipt, and the credit side is a side of payment. Okay, look at the example. The example is here, and it states that the following transaction were obtained in the book of Mr. Muhammad Company Limited for the month of November 2009. Okay. The owner of the trade is Mr. Muhammad. Should you write the name of the trader? Muhammad Company. 3-column cash book. Okay. On first, the following balances were brought down. The months of October. Cash balances is 18,000, and the bank balances is 15,000. On first, the following balances were brought down from the month of October. Cash balances is 18,000, and the bank balance is 15,000. Okay. I think you remember that at the previous lesson, when the owner of the business start a business, the amount he started the business is known as a capital. But now, the owner of the business continue with the business. You may not say that a capital, just you say a balance. Here, you say that 1st November, you have a balance BD. Cash, you have 18,000. And the bank, you have 15,000. Okay. If you continue with another lesson, if another transaction, you may saw that there is a debtors account, and a creditors account. What is a debtors account? When you say debtors, is a person purchase good from us by credit. Is known as a debtor. When a person purchase good from us, when you say us, it means that Muhammad is known as a debtor. When Muhammad purchase good on credit to supplier, then Muhammad is known as a creditor. Have you understood it? Okay. Another transaction in November 4th, receive cash from F. Salom and deduct 10% cash discount. Found a F. Salom. F. Salom is a debtor. Have you seen? F. Salom is a debtor. Have you seen? And owed 2,800. F. Salom paid us, but we deduct 10% as a cash discount. Then you put here 10%. You got 280. 280 is a discount allowed because we sell goods to F. Salom, and now F. Salom paid us. You put at this column 208. Then, if the F. Salom, we give the discount of 10%, how much will pay? Just take 2,800, deduct 280. You got 0, 2, 5, 2. 2,520. This amount received from F. Salom. Just you put 4th November, F. Salom, General Ledger. We pay 2,520 by cash. You put in a cash column. Okay, continue with the next transaction. The next transaction said that cashed a check for business use, Tanzania shillings 1,500. Cashed a check for business use, Tanzania shillings 1,500. This, it means what? It means the owner of the business write a check to the bank and he draw a money. After draw, the money will enter into the business. Should they record it like that on 5th November? You said that cash, how much you draw from the bank? 1,500. In this column, you put C, the word contra. I think you remember the word contra. Then you come here, you say that 5th November, bank, how much? You put in a cash column, 1,500. Okay? Another transaction, you said that paid P. Tom, a creditor, cash less 15% cash discount. Paid P. Tom, a creditor, cash less 15% cash discount. I think you know the P. Tom is a creditor. It means we purchase the good from supplier. The supplier is known as a P. Tom. The business purchases goods from P. Tom on credit. Now, the business have ability to pay the P. Tom. We pay by using a cash. How much the business owed? The business wanted to be paid 3,500. But the business received a discount. How much? 15%. 15%. 0, 0, 0, 0. 35 times 15, you got 525. This is a discount received by the business when you pay the P. Tom. If the business pay, will go to the credit side. Right here, a P. Tom. In which date? 7th November. How much discount receive a business? The business receive 525. Take the all amount owed the business. The amount wanted to be paid by the business is 3,500. Deduct the discount. The discount is 5 to 5. 500 is 25. You got here 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 14 minus 5, 9, 2. Okay, the business will pay 2,975. And the business receive a discount from P. Tom of 525. Have you understood it? Okay. At the 15th, bought a motor van for cash, Tanzania shillings 4,000. Bought a motor van for cash, Tanzania shillings 4,000. Now, the business have a money and able to purchase a motor van. The business will pay to motor van. The business will pay the motor van. The side of payment is known as a credit side. Come here and say that motor van. Motor van. In which date? 15th November. How much will pay? Will pay 4,000 by cash. General ledger. Okay. At 18th, H. Smile paid us by check less 5% cash discount. I think that H. Smile is a debtor and he paid us by check, but we give the H. Smile 5% as a discount. Okay. How much the business owed H. Smile? Refer here. The business owed H. Smile 4,000. The business provided discount to H. Smile of 5%. How much the amount of discount? 4 times 5, 20. It means 200. If the F. Smile paid us, it means that the business received the amount of money. The side of receipt is a debit side. You write here 18th November, H. Smile, general ledger. How much discount? 200 is. How much will pay it? Take 400 is. Deduct 200 is. You got 3,000 and 800 is. Okay. Look, which means the H. Smile used to pay us. Use check. Check. If H. Smile use a check, should be recorded at the bank column. You receive that 3,800 is. Have you understood it? Okay. Now we continue with other transactions. It means paid insurance for cash 2,000. Paid insurance for cash 2,000. It means the business has paid to insurance company 2,000. The payment side within the cash book is credit side. You record here 18th November, insurance, general ledger, means of payment is cash. You put here 2,000. Okay. Continue with the next. 20th. Paid cash into bank, Tanzania shillings, 6,400 is. Paid cash into bank, Tanzania shillings, 6,400 is. We mean that the cash of the business was a lot of money, wanted to deposit it to the bank. The owner of the business draw money from the cash and deposit it to the bank. Means that the owner, in which date? 20th November, the owner draw money from the cash, put here bank, C contra, and then you put how much will draw? 60,400 is, and this money was deposited to the bank account. You say that 20th November, here you write a cash, then you put a contra, and you record it in the bank column. You receive from cash 60,400. I think you remember about the contra entry. It's a completion of double entry within the cash book. 27th, paid M. Haji a creditor by check, less 10% a cash discount. Paid M. Haji a creditor. I think you know about when you say creditor, it means the suppliers, that who supply the goods to us. When you say paid M. Haji a creditor by check, less 10% cash discount. First of all, should look how much the supplier will want to be paid. Look, M. Haji. Oh, you know that 2,700 is. This is an amount owed by M. Haji. Okay. And then M. Haji give a discount of 10%. Right here, 10% discount. Remove 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. The business will receive 270 as a discount from M. Haji. Okay. If the business wanted to pay a M. Haji, should record at the credit side. This side is a side of payment. We record 27th November, M. Haji. How much will give us discount? 270. 270. How much will pay M. Haji? Take 2,700, deduct 270. 0, 10, 3, remain 6, 2, 4, and here 2. 2,430. The business should be paid the M. Haji after deducting the discount. Okay. Then, which means of payment the business used? The means of the business used is by check. Therefore, should come at this column of the bank. Draw 2,430. After finish that, should close the book at the end of the November. Then, should added here 208, add 200, you got 408. Then, come to the credit side. You take discount receive, 580, 5, 287, 9, 582, 7. After finish to close the discount allowed and the discount receivable, should close the cash column, and then close bank column. Add this, 18,000, add 2,520, you got 20,520, and 1,500, you got 22,020. You write it here, 22,020. And when you add at this side, it means the credit side of the cash book. When you add 2,975 and 4,695 and 2 and 6, you got 15,375. You compare which one is bigger. This is debit and this one is a credit. I mean, we see that the debit side is greater than the credit side. You put here the greater, 22,020, and here 22,020. Then take bigger, less, lower, or small. You got 10 minus 5, 5, remain 1, 11 minus 7, you got how much? 11, 7, 4. Here we got 6, 6. Okay. It means you got 60,645. Here, the difference between the debit side is greater and the credit side is smaller. The difference will write here, 60, 60, 45. This is a difference. The difference is known as a balance. Balance CD. Okay, come to the bank side. The bank side, you have 15,000, add 3,800, you got 18,800, add by 60,400, you got 25,200. 25,200. No, right here. 25,200. Okay, then come to the credit side. Add this one, 1,500 and 2,430. You got 3,930. Which side is bigger? It means the debit side is bigger than the credit side. If the debit side is bigger than the credit side, put the amount of bigger. That is 25,200 is 25,200 is means 25,200. What is the difference between debit side and the credit side total? The difference is 0, 10 minus 3, 7, remain 1, Put here 11. 11 minus 9, you got 2. Remain 4. 1, 2. It means 21,207. You put here 21,270. Here is a balance CD closed at 13th November. Then when you start at the new month, that is December, you will start by 1st December, balance BD of 6645, 6645, and 21,270, 21,270. This is a balance for new month, that is December. Okay? Okay, I think you remember that when the business uses the accounting principle of going concern, should use this process of balance CD and balance BD, because the process will continue to the business. Not keep the time whereby the business terminated. The balance should be either CD and then should be brought down. Thanks for listening. I will see.